Hey racers, how's it going? My name is Austin Fishfarner over here at SCI Distribution, and we wanted to put together a couple videos to show you some of the key components on the RZR Factory Pro R vehicle. One of the biggest performance advantages of this vehicle is it comes with live valve shocks from Fox. Those take input from the driver and they know exactly what you're doing at all times, where the steering wheel is, if you're on the brake, on the throttle. They also take input from the car's gyro and know what angle it's at. If you're hard braking or you're on the gas, it's making changes to the suspension at all times on the fly. Another option that you can get to make that system work even better is an active electronic sway bar. Those are available and they will bolt on the car at any time. You just simply bolt them on, plug them in, push the button on the dash, and they're active and ready to go. When you combine both the shocks along with the active sway bar, you will have the ultimate performing vehicle.